Today we will understand the key difference between effectiveness and efficiency. As you see in the figure, effectiveness means doing the right things. सही काम करना, इसे हम effectiveness कहते हैं. Efficiency means doing things right. काम सही तरीके से करना, इसे हम efficiency कहते हैं. Effectiveness हमेशा फोकस होता है रिजल्ट के ऊपर. प्रोसेस रिजल्ट, ये रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड होता है. Efficiency, how much resource you are using to complete any process, how much time you are taking to complete any process, ये efficiency में होता है. अगर आपने डिजायर्ड गोल अचीव कर लिया, इट मीन्स यू आर इफेक्टिव. आप कितने समय में, कितने कम कॉस्ट में, कितना कम एफर्ट में आपने काम खत्म किया, वो एफिशिएंसी होता है. अगर डिड वी अचीव द ऑब्जेक्टिव, yes or no, if achieve the objective, that is you are effective. How well did we use the resource, अब एक ऑब्जेक्टिव अचीव करने के लिए आप कितना रिसोर्स, कितना टाइम, कितना कॉस्ट इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, वो एफिशिएंसी के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. दैट इज एफिशिएंसी. फॉर एग्जांपल, बिल्डिंग ए प्रोडक्ट दैट मीट्स कस्टमर नीड्स एंड सेल्स वेल, दैट इज effectiveness. For the efficiency example, manufacturing product at lowest possible cost and time, that is efficiency. Efficiency is associated with the lean, and effectiveness is associated with the Six Sigma. Elimination of waste will improve the efficiency. Reduction of variation and defects improve the effectiveness. If you eliminate the waste, your process becomes faster. If the effectiveness is improved, customer satisfaction will increase and better quality. If you increase the efficiency, your process will be in the low cost. In the effectiveness, better outcome. Target achieved. As I earlier told, doing things right is efficiency, doing right thing is effectiveness. Let us understand within case study. This is case number 1. If you are efficient, what will happen? If you are efficient, benefit to organization where you are working. How it is benefit to the organization? The first is, you will use less time, less resource, less manpower to complete any work. Okay, it means what? It will give benefit to the organization. Let's take the case number 2. If you are effective, your focus is on target. Not on the process. See, if you focus on the target, what will happen? You will give the benefit to the customer. Customer will be happy if you are effective. Customer will be happy if you are effective. But the thing is, to improve any organization, person should be effective and effectiveness. If you are effective, your customer will be happy. If you are efficient, your company will be happy. But always focus on IATF tells you measures both. IATF measures both efficient and effectiveness. Both it will measure. If both things is there, then your customer will be happy and your organization will be happy. So always remember, Being efficient without being effective means you are doing the wrong work very well. Second is being effective without efficiency means you are achieving the goal but waste resources. Company has given the two tasks to team A and team B. Task is produce 100 parts. The team A used 10 manpower and used 10 machines and 2 shifts to produce 100 parts. Similarly, team B used 5 manpower, 2 machines, 1 shift to produce 100 parts. Here, team A and team B both are effective because they have achieved the desired target, that is 100. But team B is efficient. Team B is efficient. Why? It has consumed as low as resources to achieve the target. But team A has achieved more resource, more time, more shift to achieve the target. This is effective but not efficient. Team A is effective but not efficient. Team B is efficient and effective. I hope you understand this, the efficiency and effectiveness difference. Please like and subscribe. Q for quality channel. Q for quality. Thank you.